In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase invoices in Xero. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a clean, accurate bill that flows straight into your accounts payable. First, sign in to Xero and open purchases. This is your central place for anything you buy for the business. From there, head into bills. Bills in Xero are simply purchase invoices you owe to suppliers, and this section helps you keep track of what's due and when. Next, choose New Bill. Depending on your screen, you may be prompted again, so select New Bill once more to open a fresh blank bill. This brings up the form where you'll enter all the key details from your supplier's invoice. Start with the From field. Begin typing the supplier's name and select the correct one when it appears. Getting this right ensures the bill is linked to the correct contact, so statements, aging, and payment runs will all be accurate. Enter the date shown on the supplier's invoice. This is important because it controls when the expense appears in your reports and how your aging will display. Then add the due date. Xero may suggest a date based on the supplier's terms, but always match what's on the invoice so cash flow and reminders line up properly. In the reference box, type the supplier's invoice number or their preferred reference. Keeping references consistent and unique makes searching, reconciling, and answering queries much faster later on. Move down to the line items and select the appropriate item. When you choose an item, Xero can automatically pull in a description, the default account, and the usual tax treatment, saving time and reducing coding errors. If the default details populate, quickly confirm they match the supplier document. Now edit the quantity and the unit price to mirror the invoice exactly. Small differences here can throw off your totals, so double check the numbers and make sure you're looking at the right tax setting for your region, whether prices are tax inclusive or exclusive. Confirm the line total and the overall bill total match the supplier's figure, including tax. Finally, review everything at a glance. Supplier, dates, reference, item, quantities, TCs, pricing, and totals. When it all looks correct, click Approve. Approving locks in the bill so it's ready for scheduling and payment, and it updates your account's payable balance immediately. That's it. You've created and approved a purchase invoice in Xero, keeping your payables tidy, your reporting accurate, and your payment queue up to date.